Guys, what's up?
Hi guys, good morning.
How's life?
We are here in school kasi kakasend lang namin kay Tyler, no. They have practice for the Independence Day celebrations here in Qatar.
Yeah.
So
after that we visited the HR office at saka registrar because we had some transactions over there, and then we also received our new PPOQ shirts. So show to them the text, Carol, and the design.
Dagdag labahin actually.
This is in support of the organization.
Yeah, of course. I'm just kidding.
So
But
let us see
anyway,
the design and the text.
Here is
Wow, Philippine Professional Organizations Qatar.
Yeah.
I believe this is the umbrella of all the professional organizations here in Qatar. And then
after here,
we're going somewhere.
we will get the medicines.
Yeah, sa Kulod Pharmacy. Supplements. Yeah. In related to that, yung check-up namin, yung general check-up namin kay last week. So in God's grace, positive naman ang lahat ng result. Okay lang naman, walang problema. Sa lahat ng mga blood test, sa lahat ng laboratories ginawa sa blood namin, stool, pee, ultrasound, and so on. In God's perfect grace, okay lang naman siya ang tanang result. Except for me, may nakitang isa, yung cholesterol ko medyo mataas. So I have to work out on it. Diet din, may binigay na chart sa akin to follow. Yeah, dietary plan with all the supplements at saka mga necessary na gagawin, you know.
And you need to lose weight as well.
Yeah, I need to lose weight. So yun lang naman. So prevention is better than cure. So walang major na naramdaman as of the moment.
So intact pa naman ang mga organs namin, guys, no?
So yun lang, guys. Let's enjoy the company of one another sa atong family, sa atong loved ones.
Eid is coming.
Yeah, Eid is coming also here. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless us all.